I'm sure by now you guys know that I am a HOKA fanboy. I started running back in 2012 and I used, what did I use? Sauconys. They're great running shoes until I discovered HOKA. A bit expensive, but super worth the price. And what I do is I wait for the sale. I wait a year later and buy the older version. But my favorite model is the HOKA Clifton. But I recently purchased I'll tell you later. But let me give you let me take a video of all the different Cliftons I have. I buy all my shoes from Running Warehouse. They have great deals. And if you want additional 15% off, send me a private message. Oh, I love opening a new pair of running shoes. Well, I asked my running buddy Dan of Paris from the Philippines, and I go, "Hey, brother, what color should I buy?" And he immediately said, "Get the yellow one." I'm glad I listened to him. This one is nice. So this is the Clifton 5.